Alright, welcome. Good day, it's Mr. Simons here. Grade 12 Calculus. In this lesson, we will be determining the first derivative, but we'll first have to be required to factorize and simplify. So, problem number 1, they say determine dy or dx if y equal x squared minus 4x plus 3. So on the top, I'm first going to factorize. X squared is x times x. Positive 3 is minus 3 times negative 1. And the reason why I use negative is because the middle term is negative. And I assume you can see minus 3x minus 1x would give me minus 4x. X minus 1 and x minus 1 is the same, so I can cancel those two. And I'm left with y equal x minus 3. So I'm going to differentiate y with respect to x. That would become 1 times 1, which is 1. And that 1 minus 1. The constant here, negative 3, simply becomes zeros. X1 minus 1, x to the power 0, which is 1. And 1 times 1 simply gives me a final answer of 1. So in exam, we would give you 1 mark for factorization, another one for cancelling, and another mark for getting the derivative correctly. Let's look at the second problem. So we can also test your grade 10 knowledge. We test, do you still remember how to factorize a cubic function? If you forgot all of this, as I said, there's Simon's Mat 11 and there's Simon's Mat 10. So anything you forgot from the previous grade, just log on to those channels and you can go look at how to factorize cubic functions, etc. But here we have evaluate dx, 27x cubed minus 64 divided by 3x minus 4. Cube root of 27, 3, cube root of x cubed, x. Negative stays negative, cube root of 64 becomes 4. Right? 3 times 3 gives me 9. X times x gives me x squared. 3x times negative 4 would give me negative 12x. So to cancel negative 12x, because there's no middle term given there, we write plus 12x. Negative times negative, positive, 4 times 4, 16. So now you should know 3x minus 4 cancels with 3x minus 4. And I'm simply left with 9x squared plus 12x plus 16. Now I can differentiate. So that becomes 2 times 9, x2 minus 1. There 1 times 12 stays 12, 1 minus 1. And the derivative of a constant always becomes 0. 9 times 2 gives me 18. 2 minus 1 gives me 1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. And x to the power 0. 1 times 12, which then stays 12. Right, so basically we will test factorization of cubes and factorization of quadratic equations. Right, so I've just done these two. Please like, share, and subscribe.